Welcome, my dear students, to you all once again to this recorded lesson. So, this is our eighth recorded lesson. So, in the previous recorded lesson, we were discussing regarding letter writing, and in order to continue the same, here also we are going to discuss the same thing. But in the previous recorded lesson, we have discussed regarding letter of apology, how to write the letter of apology, and I had given you one assignment related to letter of apology to write. And in this recorded lesson, we are going to discuss regarding letter of complaint. Okay, we are going to discuss regarding letter of complaint. We are going to learn regarding how to write the letter of complaint in this recorded lesson. So I hope you all are safe and fine, and the learning process is continued through this recorded lesson. If you are having any doubts, you can ask with me, and some of you are sending your assignment through school app, and if it is right, I am accepting it. If it is wrong, I am rejecting it, so that again you can write and resend it. Once again, welcome you all. So first let us see the answer for the previous assignment. So in the previous class, I had given you the question, that is letter of apology for misbehaving inside the classroom during the absence of teacher. So you have to write the letter to the principal for misbehaving inside the classroom during the absence of teacher. This was your question, and in the question I had given you the name. The name was Rakesh. So now let us see the answer, how you have to write the letter. So this is the format. This is how, once if you write the letter, this is how it seems, and I hope you can't see it properly, so let me zoom it. So if you see here, this is the writer's address, and I have also mentioned the date over there. So here the writer is Rakesh, and the Rakesh is from class 7th. I had already given in the question, that is standard 7th. So I have not mentioned any school. So I have written our own school name, Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Residential School, Hattiyangadi, Kundapur, with pin code. And I had also mentioned the date. As I said you before, the date is also should be in a particular format. And I hope you can see the date over there, 05 September 2020. So after the month you have to give a comma, then 2020. After that, no need of giving full stop. So this is how you have to write the writer's address and date. And next comes is receiver's address. So to whom you are writing the letter? Here you are writing the letter to the principal of the school, right? So the receiver is nothing but the principal. So the principal, Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Residential School, Hattiyangadi, Kundapur, and you have to also mention there the pin code. And what is the next step? Next step is nothing but the salutation, right? Salutation is nothing but the greeting. So you are greeting over there, respected sir. So you know the principal is male or female. So the principal is nothing but the male. So you are writing there, respected sir. That is how you are greeting the person. And after greeting, you have to write the subject, right? As I had said you, the subject should be as simple, and by reading the subject, the person has to get to know regarding what you are writing the letter. So here the subject is apology for misbehaving inside the classroom. So while reading the subject, the person will get to know that you are asking apology for misbehaving inside the classroom. And the next main step comes is body of the letter. As I had said you, in the body of the letter you can write very detailedly. Here I have not written more detailed, just to give you example I have written. So you can write properly as if you want, with proper grammatical structure and using punctuational marks. So here I have written the body of letter is: as I was misbehaving inside the classroom during the absence of teacher with my peers, the mistake was committed by me unknowingly, and now I realize how foolish it was to behave in such manner. Please forgive me, and I won't give another chance in future to reprimand me. Please accept my sincere apology. So, this is how you have to write the body of the letter. So, the body of the letter, which has to be in a paragraph, you have to maintain a particular paragraph. Either you can write 1, 2, or 3 paragraph. You can write as detailed as much as possible, or else you can write briefly also. Not more briefly, you can write briefly in the body of the letter also. After you are writing the body of the letter, next you have to mention thanking you. While you are mentioning thanking you can write either in the middle or else you can write at the side. Okay, so you can write at the marginal side thanking you, or else you have to write in the middle of the letter. And then comes the last step, that is subscription, right? The last step of the letter is subscription. So there you are writing yours faithfully or yours sincerely, and you are writing your first name, only first name, then you are signing it. So this is how you have to write the letter of apology. See, my dear children, there is no restriction that as I have written the body of the letter, the same you have to write. No, you can write the body of the letter in the change, but the content should be the same, okay, regarding the apology itself. And you have to follow the format of letter writing, okay, just you have to follow the proper format of letter writing, and it should be functionally proper, okay, grammatically it should be proper, and you have to use the punctuation mark, and you have to write the letter by using the format, okay. So this is how you have to write the letter of apology. I hope all of you have written it properly, and after writing your letter of apology, if you see, it seems like this, okay. If you see, as I said you some of the important points in that, the neatness is also one thing. It is neat, and so that the reader can understand it easily, okay. So the letter writing also should be neat, okay. Then now let us move towards one more type of formal letter which we are going to discuss today. That is second type of formal letter, that is letter of complaint. Today we are going to discuss regarding letter of complaint. So before that, we have to know what do you mean by letter of complaint. As I had already said you once in the previous recorded lesson, in order to recall the same, I will repeat it once again. So letter of complaint is nothing but the letter which says regarding the complaint regarding some system or something else, okay. If something is going wrong regarding that particular system has to be right. Regarding that, if you are writing it to the some person, that is higher authority, higher person, so those kinds of letter which can be considered as a letter of complaint. So let us see with the example how to write the letter of complaint, but keep in your mind one thing, that is the format is same. For all the type of letter, we are following the same format. Let us learn through example. So the question as follows here. So this is a question regarding letter of complaint. We are going to learn regarding letter of complaint. So write a letter to SHO of the police station complaining about the rowdy behavior of some boys harassing students from your school on their way back to home. So this is the question regarding letter of complaint. So here you are writing a letter to SHO. SHO is nothing but Station House Officer of local police station regarding some schoolboys harassing the students while they are going back to their home. So you're complaining against those boys. So once if you write the letter, this is how it seems. So I have written the letter in name of Soumya because in the question I had not mentioned any name as such. So you can write any name which you want. So after writing the letter, this is how the letter seems, and I hope you can't see it properly. So once again let me zoom it. Here the writer is Soumya. I am assuming myself as Soumya and I am writing the letter. See, Soumya and her full address I have to write. That is, the writer's address has to be in detail. Soumya Lakshmi Apartment, Block 2, Shanti Nagar, Calicut, with pin code. And I had also mentioned their date, and date is in a particular format itself, that is 06 September, 2020. And the receiver over there is SHO, right? That is Station House Officer. So the letter is written to SHO of that particular local police station, Shanti Nagar, Calicut. So this is what writer's address, date and receiver's address. Next comes the salutation. Salutation, as I had written, I don't know whether SHO is a male or female. So I am writing both. Okay, that is respected sir or madam. To be at the safer side, I am writing the both respected sir or madam because I don't know the SHO is a male or the female. As I had said you, the subject of the letter is here, letter of complaint against hooligan. So hooligan is nothing but the person, the young people or a group of people who do violent, means they are the troublemaker. Okay, for them we usually say hooligans. So letter of complaint against the hooligan. So the body of letter is like this. This is to bring to your notice the unacceptable behavior of some boys in Shanti Nagar locality. I have noticed these boys hanging near institution, especially at the time when the school gets over at 4 o'clock in the evening. So these boys who are standing near the school gate at the 4 o'clock evening, okay, and they pass comments on girls, follow them till they board their bus. Sometimes these boys are drunk. The school authorities tried talking to them, but it has been of no avail. Means it was not at all use. So I, on behalf of student of the school, request you to take immediate action against these boys so that they mend their way. So this is how I have written the body of letter. I have mentioned that. So I am not the girl or the boy of the school. I am a public. Usually I see this in the roadside and I am writing a letter to the officer, okay, that is the higher authority, regarding these things which are going on in the roads in the evening time, that is especially at the time of school gets over at the 4 o'clock. And sometimes what happens, even the boys are drunk. Due to this there are lots of problems that are occurring, especially for the girls. So you have to take the immediate actions against this so that they can mend their way, means they can go without any problem. This is how body of the letter. And next comes, that is thanking you, right? Thanking you and yours sincerely, that is the name. The name is nothing but the writer's address. So I am writing a letter, that's why it's my name, writer. And last, sign. Okay, so you have to write only the first name. Here only the name is Soumya. If two name, first and second name is there, you have to write only the first name. So this is how you have to write the letter of complaint. So let us see one more example to letter of complaint regarding, so that you can understand still more better. So this is a general letter of complaint. Write a letter to councillor of your locality about overflow of drainage system and street light problem in your locality, and to solve the problem as soon as possible. So here also the name has been not mentioned, so you can use any name which you want. And this letter you are writing to the councillor of your locality. If it is municipality, then it is councillor. If it is panchayat, then that is a village panchayat, gram panchayat member. For them you are writing. So regarding what you are writing regarding the overflow of drainage system and the street light problem. So regarding this you are writing the letter to the councillor. So this is how, after you write the letter, this is how it seems. So always first I'll show you this. So next we will go towards the detail. This is how the letter will be if you write it in detail according to the format. So once again I will zoom it for you. So the first is writer's address, date and receiver's address. I hope you can see now. So there the first is writer's address, next comes the date, and next is a receiver's address. So here, as I said you, no name has been given in the question. So I have taken a name, that is Prithvi, and that particular Prithvi is from Shivaji Nagar, second cross, Akbar Road, Jaipur, and they have already mentioned the pin code also, even the pin number also. So as I said you have to mention it in detail. So you have to even mention the pin code also. After mentioning the writer's address, next comes the date, right? And I hope now you know how to write the date, that is 07 September 2020. You have to write the month in the alphabets. And comes the receiver's address, means the person to whom you are writing the letter. That is, now we are writing the letter to councillor Shantinagar, Jaipur, and also you have to mention the pin code. Okay, it should be neat. Next comes the salutation, right? I hope you can see over there. Either you can write respected sir or madam, or if you know that particular person, then you can write respected sir or madam, any of. So I have written here respected sir, and the subject of the letter is letter of complaint regarding overflow of drainage system and street light problem. So regarding what I am writing the letter here, I am writing the letter regarding the overflow of drainage system. The drainage has been filled and it is overflowing in the roads, and the street light problems. The street light is not working properly, so that is a problem. So now I am writing the body of letter in detail. So let us see here. I am writing to complain about overflow of drainage water and poor street light condition in our locality. Due to this, the people are facing lots of problem in their day-to-day activities. The children are unable to move in roads. Even the street lights in our locality is not working properly, and due to this, people are unable to move during dark time, and it has also caused more accidents in our locality. I request you to exercise your authority and ensure that the problems are solved as soon as possible. This is the thing that is accepted by the people of our locality. So here I have written the letter in order to inform you regarding the problem which we are facing regarding the overflow of drainage system and the poor street light, and people are facing the problems in their day-to-day activities, and even the children are not able to move in the roads. And if it comes to the street light, because of street light, the people are not able to move in the dark means during the evening time, and it has also caused the more accidents. So because of no street light, the accidents has been caused. So I am requesting, so you have to inform your authorities, you have to inform the higher authorities above you, and you have to ensure that the problems are solved as soon as possible. So these all are problems which has to be solved as soon as possible. So this is the thing that is expected by the people of our locality. So all the people of locality who thinks and they expect these from you. Okay, so this is the thing which is expected from our locality people. So this is how you have to write the body of the letter. So here I have written the body of the letter in detail. So this is what I have written in detail, and I have tried to explain what are the problems which are faced by the people. And the next step, which is thanking you and yours sincerely. So I have written here as usual the first name, here only the first name. If it is first name and second name, you have to only mention the first name. Okay, and this is how you are supposed to write the letter. That is, so we have seen the two examples of letter of complaint under formal letter. So we have seen today the letter of complaint. In the previous recorded lesson we have seen the letter of apology. So these are the two set of examples which I have given to you regarding letter of complaint. I hope now you have understood. So you have to follow the same format which you have followed to letter of apology. Here also you have to follow the same format, but the type of letter is different. Okay, I hope you have understood. So in order to understand it much better, I will give you a home assignment. So you have to practice in your home. Not only practicing this, you can also ask your parents to give some of question, and you can also practice some other questions which is given by your parents. Okay, and the question home assignment for you is, write a letter to the railway authority about the unclean compartment and toilet in the AC compartments in spite of high charge of ticket. So here I have not given any name, so you can mention any name which you want. And to whom you are writing the letter? You are writing a letter to railway authority. Okay, you are writing a letter to railway authority, and regarding what you are writing regarding the unclean compartment. Which compartment? AC compartment. So even after taking the high charge for the AC compartment, the compartment is not clean, and also even the toilet in that particular compartment is also not clean. Regarding that, you are writing a letter, that is letter of complaint to railway authorities. I hope you all have understood. So next, let us meet in next recorded lesson. Thank you, my dear students.